Hello students. In this short video, I'm going to tell you how to get started with improvement of your vocabulary through reading. I keep on telling my students that the best way to improve your vocabulary is not to mug up the words from the dictionary, but to read good literature and see how the writer uses the words in different contexts. Let me give you one example. Supposingly, you are reading a book and you find a word which you don't know. So, what I tell my students is to underline the word, take the pencil, consult the dictionary, and write the meaning of the words from the dictionary. While doing this, you must also be very careful that it is not necessary that the first meaning of the dictionary would be the suitable meaning. The writer may have used the second or the third entry of the meaning from the dictionary. So, once you know the meaning, you must try to fit the meaning in the context of what the writer is trying to say. Underline the word, and then in the margins given in the book, you must write down the meaning. And just in case if you do not want to make your book and the page messy, you must maintain the glossary in your handbook. Write a new word, write the meaning, and also try to make the sentences similar to what the writer has made. This is how you can improve your vocabulary. Along the process, you also try to remember the word and its spelling. And also, when you are alone, you must use the word in different sentences. Say, for example, if I have read the word insolent from the book that I am reading, whenever I am alone, I should create a character in front of my eyes and try to fix the word insolent with the character. For example, the meaning of the word insolent is disrespectful. So I must take a character from my surrounding who is disrespectful in behavior. Say, for example, the name of that person is Mr. X. So whenever I call Mr. X after his office hours, he always gives me insolent reply. So this is the way the word which I have learned from the writer in the book, I have to take a mental note of it, or I can have a physical note of the word, and then I can also construct a sentence by constructing a situation, and the character I can use is maybe from my own surrounding, or it can also be the creation of my imagination. So this is the best way with which we can improve our vocabulary, not by mugging up the words from the dictionary entries, but while reading along the way, find out those words. And as Dr. Shashi Tharoor says that he himself did never remember the words from the dictionary entries. What he did was, if the same word would come under your eyes 3 or 4 times, without even opening the dictionary, you might be able to unlock the meaning of the word. And as you get more experience in life, I'm sure you'll be able to use that word in your vocabulary. So if a person who is good at vocabulary is sure to make a long lasting impression. And the better your vocabulary, the better your range of descriptive words, the more subtle idea you'll be able to create in the visual imagery of your reader or listener.